Welcome back to More Graphics, where you learn Microsoft package at the comfort of your office or home. So this is the last part of database, which is going to talk about reports. So the first question here is create a report to display, name these details here up to that. So I go to create, I come to report design, and then click on add existing field, then double click on each of these fields, click this plus to show you the fields, double click on each of these fields, and then they will appear on the left as seen below, as seen here. So after doing that, you have already created. You double click only on the fields you're interested in. If you don't want that, you don't double click on it. Double click on the field, right click, go to report view, and we have our report there with all the details. So then we go back and then see group your record by department. So come here, right click, go to design view, and then we come up here to group. You click, check it, and then group by, add a group. Click here, group by department, and that's all. If you want to sort by, you also decide to sort by something, which field you're interested in. And then the other part of it is insert a footer of your name and today's date. So a footer is, you come and see where the footer is. This is page footer, so it appears here. So to put your name, instead of text box, use a label. Click on it and come and put it here and type your name, for example, like that. And then to have a today's date, you use a text box, click on it, come and draw it here, and I'm going to drag it in front a bit and just call it date. So behind here, I'll call it date, and in front here I put a formula to put the date of today, equal sign date, and open and close. When I go to report view, this is what we shall see. Report view under today's date, at the end, that's where it will appear. It is a footer, so I expect it down, and here it is, date, and you see today's date. It picks from your computer. And finally, we are going to, that one is done, we shall save, and then after we shall create a report showing employees born in December. Now for showing employees born in December, you should have got a query for those born in December first. Then we use that query to create this report. So I'll close this report and then go and get one for those born in December. So you go to create. Now this time I'm going to use report wizard. So you click on report wizard, and then under tables here you're looking for those born in December. Now as I mentioned earlier, you should have done this query before coming to the report part. That's why this query is shown here. Born in December, I saved. I want all these fields to be here. If I wanted only a few, I would click on it and use this one. Click on it and use this one. But I can also take them back. If I don't want it, I take them back like that. But if I want all to appear, just use this double one, and then all will appear there. Go next. In case you missed any, you have a chance here to make some correction, and also you have a chance to group by. Do you want to add any grouping? I do not, so I continue. You can also sort from here basing on any field and either ascending or descending order, and then go next, and you can decide how you want it to appear, whether in table, column form, and you can also decide on portrait and orientation at this point. Then you go next, and the name of the report can be changed from here if you want, and after you just click next, and then you have your report here after clicking finish. So that is it, guys.